What you see taking place here is people using water truck to spray away shit water off the streets of downtown Kingston. People, when you realize that the capital of the country is right? People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeat, and today I want to touch upon a very serious topic, and it's about the state of our nation, hygiene wise and social wise. Yeah, we need to talk about it. But before we get into that, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Also share the video. It literally costs nothing and it helps the channel out very hugely. So thanks for that. And if you have it like that, please support us on Patreon. It will help the channel grow a lot. But with that being said, let's get on to the video. People, look carefully at your screen. What you see taking place here is people using water truck to spray away shit water off the streets of downtown Kingston. People, when you realize that the capital of the country is right? As a matter of fact, I'm going to put some pictures up on the screen and I want you to guess where all of these photos were taken. If you did guess Kingston, the capital city of Jamaica, then you would be right. Yo, this is really a big issue, and it's actually surprising to me that more people not talk about this. Like, you know, hear them thing I make news or anything of that sort. And just to make you understand what you deal with, let me show you the capital city of other countries. Take a look at your screen. What you are seeing here is Singapore, the capital of Singapore. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be in the comments like, Singapore has no capital. The entire country of Singapore is the capital. And you might be right. But that only means that the entire country of Singapore looks like these images that are on the screen right now. And you're telling me that a country like Singapore can have the streets looking like this throughout the entire nation. And Jamaica capital look like that? No, people, something must wrong with that. As a matter of fact, I could take a look at the next nation. Now, a lot of you have probably never heard of this country before, but what you are looking at on the screen is the capital of Uzbekistan. You heard that right, Uzbekistan. And people, I just want to take a look on the streets of Uzbekistan and look how the place look clean. Look how the vendor them have them stall and them just a sell and thing. Just like downtown Kingston, you know. You see how the vendor them have them stall out and everything out and them a sell and thing. But look how the street them clean. Right now, I don't know how with Jamaica, but if them country can have them markets and them city in the same place and the place looks so clean. What about Jamaica so make our place have a stay so? The place even stink. The place don't smell good neither. Jamaica, especially certain parts of Kingston, you have to cover your nose when you walk past there because the rankness will kill you. It'll mash up your nostril. When a sewage water run pan road, the place rank. So it's either feces or piss. That's the smell of town. When somebody asks you for describe town, that's all you can remember. The stinking scent. And for your country where a tourism are the biggest thing, like for the economy, the biggest thing for bringing the money. How the hell the place looks so? Why we invite people to a garbage dump? Man, if you realize, say, yo, when you come off at the airport, a Norman Manley International Airport, so, and you come in Jamaica, the first place most tourists I go see when them come to Jamaica, at Kingston, and all of them thing there, them I go see, all of them smell there, them I go smell. Wonder if you realize this. And wonder if the government no realize this and I realize say, oh, them thing no look good for the country. Now people, I could have made that video longer and continue rambling on about how stink and dirty town is, but I think I get my point across by now. And besides, this is not really a long video like that. I just did find it interesting and just feel like I didn't need to make a video about it. Please do share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel out a bunch. And if you can, please support us on Patreon. Anyways, that's it for now. Birdnation, stay sharp.